Welcome back to Totally Car Mad. We are having a look on Auto Trader today, and I have found a unicorn. That is right. I did a little search for a Mazda MX-3. I don't really know why. I just fancied looking at some obscure Japanese cars, and there is only one Mazda MX-3 on Auto Trader that you could buy today. Here it is. A 1.6 litre petrol automatic 1993 Mazda MX-3 with only 58,200 miles, a beautiful sunroof and stunning rear spoiler, some very 1990s wheel covers, and a really quite curious rear end. The glass hatchback, to me, is quite a high line. Maybe needs to slope down a little bit more to make it a little bit more attractive. But that rear spoiler and boot for me is quite the thing. The front nose almost has an MX-5 type styling, but this was actually built on the Mazda 323 platform, not the MX-5, which I thought it might be a hard top hatchback version of the MX-5. No, it's a variant of the 323. Now, in the UK this year, currently still registered for use on the road, there are 58, only 58 Mazda MX-3s registered on the UK roads. There's another 160 or so sawn, so potentially tucked away in somebody's barn for a restoration, sat on somebody's driveway rotting away, but registered on UK roads, 58, and only one for sale. Look at that rear end. That is not a bad looking old car, is it? It's cheap, it's low miles, and it's definitely rare. What do you think of the Mazda MX-3? Have you ever owned one? Look at that lovely big hatch. That's cool, isn't it? Look at that lovely spoiler and those very 90s wheel caps. I I kind of like it. I feel like it needs taking and maybe put some really nice wheels on it. It would look kind of cool. But it's very original. It's very rare. It's relatively cheap. I think there may be a little bit more wiggle room in that yet. It's come down £100 from where it was first listed. So maybe they're eager to sell it now. Rare, retro and collectible. Original, vintage condition and future classic. Who knows? What do you think of our unicorn? Let me know in the comments. What other unicorns should we have a look into next? Thanks for watching.